If you need to give someone access to your hosting a website, the safest and easiest way is usually by creating a new FTP account instead of sharing your main login details. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that step by step. This is perfect if you want to give a developer, designer, or support person access to your website files without exposing your full Hostinger account. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're inside, look for the website section. This is where all of your hosted websites are listed, so choose the correct website you want to give access to. After that, open the dashboard for that specific website. You want to make sure you're working inside the right site, especially if you manage more than one domain or project. Now, inside the website dashboard, look for the Files option. Click that and then choose FTP accounts. FTP accounts are a great way to give file-level access to your website. This means the person you share it with can connect to the files they need while keeping your main account much safer. Once the FTP accounts page opens, scroll down until you see the section that says Create New FTP Account. This is where you'll set up a fresh login just for the person who needs access. Enter a username that makes sense so you can recognize it later. Then create a strong password. Make sure the password is secure, especially if the account will be used by someone outside your team. Depending on the setup, you may also see options for the directory or folder access. If that's available, choose the folder you want this FTP account to access. This is useful because you can limit access to only the necessary files instead of giving broad access to everything on the site. That's always the smarter choice when you want to protect your website. After entering the username and password, create the FTP account. Once it's saved, you can share the FTP username and password with the person who needs access. Be sure to send the details securely and only to the person you trust. If needed, also share any connection details such as the FTP host because they may need that to connect using an FTP client. And that's it. You've now learned how to give Hostinger access the safe way by creating a dedicated FTP account. This keeps your main login private while still letting someone work on your website files. If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more quick Hostinger tutorials and website management tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.